Worried of your nose blackheads? Do not worry. On today's video, I will tell you how to get rid of your nose blackhead. I will give you few methods. These methods are for both men and women, those who are above 18 years old. Okay then, first one is consult a dermatologist. You can consult a dermatologist about your blackheads or whiteheads, whichever you have. Based on that, they will recommend you a cream. You can use that. Consulting a dermatologist would be the most safest option for everyone. And not only that, there are many other cosmetics available in the market which can overcome your sorrow. The second option would be parloring. Yes, regular facial. If you do regular facial, that is monthly once a facial or a cleanup for your face. Cleanup includes just cleaning up your nose, that is removing your blackheads and whiteheads and the pigmentations, and your pimple stuffs will be cleaned up. So when you do that regularly, you can do that monthly once. Obviously, you will get rid of your blackheads. If you are doing facial masking at home, what you have to do is, while washing off your face, if suppose it's not a peel off mask and it's just a mask a creamy mask which you have applied to your face, and if you are washing it, what you can do is use your nails and just scratch it over your nose up. Here and all you will have blackheads, so just scratch it over your nose, and that way you can remove off your blackheads. You can do this even when you are washing your face regularly. You can use nose scrubs, that is face scrubs. You can use face wash, scrub face washes, and if you do use that to your nose, and if scrubs are like scratching off, so obviously it will work out for your nose blackheads and whiteheads. And also, if you're not using a scrub or anything, the simple thing at home remedy would be you can apply oil, coconut oil, almond oil, any oil which you use. I mean any oil in the sense, not the cooking oils. You can use cooking oil in the sense you can use coconut oil alone, coconut oil, almond oil, or any other face related vitamin E oil, something like that, jojoba oil, like that. You can use any oil, and then you can scratch off with your nose, and then scratch off with your nails your nose, and then you can wash off your face. The last one would be my method. I used to do actually going for parlor, doing facial only. But during this lockdown, what I found out is I have came up with a new method using nose strips. So this is new method for me, not for the world. Many have been trying this. You can use nose strips. Even gents and ladies both can do using nose strips. They can remove off their blackheads and whiteheads. The nose strip which I used is Hip Hop Skincare nose strip. Actually, I found it out in Nykaa. So it was a regular browsing. I was searching for getting some content for removing my blackheads and whiteheads, and I found out this. So this is available for gents also. You can use this. And the end result was really fantabulous. So I thought, not only parloring, even now the lockdown is over, we can go to parlor, anything. But along with that, I think this would be preferable. You can also try this weekly once, and parlor you can do monthly once. Okay, then another method would be you can wipe off your nose with rose water. That also, while wiping off, you just scratch it off with your nails. That is also another method you can try. I have done all these. And then using this strip, you could find the packet very old, because not very old, very torn, because I have used that much. So actually this pack comes with 3 strips, and I bought 2 packets. So one packet I have finished it off. I have completely used. So this pack has 2 more strips left over. So what I felt is, let me do a video and help people like me. So girls, you can use this Epop cleansing charcoal nose strip, and I will explain you how to use this. So one cover has one strip in it. We have removed it. So this is the strip which we are going to keep on our nose. So like this, you can remove it off. So you have removed the strip, and this charcoal black side is going to come onto your nose. First, before applying, wipe off your nose with hot water so that the pores will get opened. Now place it on your nose. So place it on your nose in this way. Place it for 10 minutes, then your strip will become stiff. That time you can remove it. While removing, you can see the black and white heads would attach to it and it will come off. Actually, the fragrance is very nice and it's very itchy actually for me now. The itchiness denotes it's removing your blackheads and whiteheads. Actually, I have kept it wrongly. This curve should come here, only then it will cover your nose tip. Now 10 minutes is over, we are going to open this. Actually, it's very easy. It doesn't give you that much pain. After peeling off, either rub your nose with wet wipes, else wash off your nose. Please do subscribe to us for videos on e-governance, beauty tips, and some DIYs and unboxing sessions. And finally, thanks for the existing subscribers.